Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can start a huddle in your Slack workspace really quickly. So let us get started. Now, huddles are basically the same as a voice or video calls like you conduct, for instance, on Google Meet or on Zoom. You can do these huddles or start them also here in your Slack workspace to communicate with your team members and coworkers via a headset or headphones and a microphone. And let me show you really quickly how to do that. Head over to your Slack account, select your workspace in the top left corner. And there are basically two different ways, guys. You may, for example, enter the overview of huddles you have had already or so far with your contacts and team members here in the top left corner or at the top of that left panel. However, guys, if you haven't done that yet, if that's the first time you're accessing these huddles, you may also start one simply by selecting a channel associated to your workspace to communicate with all your channel members. Or you can also initiate a one-on-one huddle or conversation with one of your contacts by entering a text or a direct message or chat with one of your contacts here. So let me go with that contact or user here for the sake of this tutorial. And inside your chat conversation history here to the right, you will see that icon in the top right corner, these headphones, to start a huddle by clicking on it. Alternatively, you may use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-Shift-H. And once that's done, guys, you will see that window popping up in the bottom left corner. So here you may go through through that setup. For example, you may mute your microphone by clicking on that button here. Also, you may initiate a video call by enabling your camera. You may share your screen. You may invite more team members and coworkers to that huddle by clicking on that button, send reactions, leave the huddle or quit it, and so on and so forth, guys. Bear in mind also that if that's the first time you initiate huddle, Google Chrome, for instance, and Slack may ask you to enable your microphone and your headphones. If that's the first time, guys, you may see a notification in the top left corner sent to you by Google Chrome that notifying you of Slack asking for permission to use your microphone and your headset. So either enable or disable it or give the permission or not. That's totally up to you. However, guys, you will need headphones and a microphone to participate in these huddles for this reason. So that's basically it, guys. That's how to do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.